This is the amount of wood that I managed to get from 3 pallets. As you can see, it's not such a small pile. A lot of wood for free, completely free, just few hours of work. In my opinion, it's always great when you can reuse something that other people are throwing away. I can show you how I do that. So this week I'm preparing the wood, and I was lucky enough to find several pallets. 1, 2, 3, 3 bigger ones and 2 smaller ones. My workshop is based on an industrial area, and a lot of companies throw away the pallets that are damaged a bit, like this one. It needs some planks. For me, it's a great way to save some money. Every plank in the store costs at least few euros, and if you need a lot of them, you will spend a lot of money. Of course, you have to invest some time in that. In my case, it's a bit cheaper to disassemble these pallets, to reuse the wood that would be thrown away, and also it makes my project special in some way. For me, it's much more interesting, at least. So I decided if I will be preparing this wood, I can show you how I do that and share some tips and tricks. So let's start, and for this task we will need a pair of gloves, a crowbar, mallets and hammers, a masonry chisel and some pliers. So first we want to put the pallet flat on the ground. Next we will check if planks are attached very well or they will go off easy. Some of them will break in the process, it's normal, don't worry. But if you try to catch the plank from different sides and to see from which side it goes easier, you can try to save it and not to damage it so badly. In the places where we have these thicker parts, it's usually harder for manufacturing. They're using longer nails, so if you will start to disassemble from the top, you are risking to break the plank because the nail is longer and it is held by this wooden brick. So what I like to do, I take the chisel and the hammer and I try to split the lower plank from the brick, and then it's much easier. So now these nails have much more freedom. We can loosen even more with the hammer. And the top plank will go off very easily. Instead of using chisel, you can also use your crowbar for loosening the bricks from the planks. It depends on the quality of the wood and on how careful you are, and some of them can break like that, but don't get upset about that. It's normal, absolutely normal. I can reuse even these broken things. I don't throw away anything, I collect these things. The bricks can be reused as well. It's a matter of your imagination how you will do that. And some of them will be nice like this. You just have to remove the nails. You may need some surface with some gaps or holes to support the plank. I use this small pallet in this case. We could also use this bridge that we removed already. For removing the nails, use your pliers. Sometimes the nails don't go off very easily with the pliers, so just grab them with a crowbar. Very easy. Voila! After disassembling just one pallet, we have this nice pile of wood. Let's disassemble the rest and we will see how much wood actually I have. Uh-oh. Be very careful. So here we are, 1 hour later. This nice pile of wood. I wanted to stack them all together, but they are falling. As you can see, I use different strategies for disassembling the pallets, because some of the planks are thinner, some are thicker, some are older, some break easy, some don't break, but a lot of pieces are in a very good state. Very nice planks. If we ignore little holes from the nails, it's a good, nice wood. If you will do the same, be very careful with the nails, because you saw what happened. I was very lucky the nail went to the side of my shoe, but if it goes to your foot, some of them are so rusty and awful, for sure you can get some disease from that, so please be very careful. I'm serious. We want to be healthy, we want to be happy, we don't want to die. No? I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it can be valuable a bit for you. Maybe it can inspire you to reuse the materials. In my opinion, it's always great when you can reuse something that other people are throwing away. You're giving a second life to something, you know. And again, be very careful, please. Please. Stay safe, stay creative, and see you next week. Bye.